Some watches look good in photos, but only a few still feel incredible after months of daily wear. In 2026, the best watches aren't just about luxury anymore, they're about personality, durability, comfort, and the feeling you get every time you check the time. From elegant automatic masterpieces to rugged tactical beasts built for harsh environments, these are the watches quietly dominating this year. And today, we're counting down 4 incredible timepieces that combine style, reliability, and real-world performance better than almost anything else in their class. So before you buy your next watch, watch this first. And as always, the links to all products are in the description, updated with the best prices, so make sure you use them. Pick 1, Seiko Presage Cocktail Time, Seiko Heritage, sharpened for today. A jewel green pressed dial shimmers under a box-shaped crystal, catching bar light like a stirred drink. Gold seconds, curved blue steel hands, and a stainless bezel give crisp, elegant contrast. Leather strap for classic dress, swap to stainless bracelet when you want extra shine. Movement, Seiko 4R35 automatic, 21,600 VPH, 23 joules, 41-hour reserve, self-winding and hand-winding. Reliable, serviceable, and built for daily wear without fuss. Smooth rotor feel and hacking seconds make setting precise and satisfying. Everyday specs, 50mm water resistance for rain, sinks, and errands. Size wears balanced and comfortable. Presence is refined at work and relaxed after hours. Glides under a cuff, yet still catches the eye in evening light. Why it matters: character, trusted engineering, and dress-to-smart casual versatility at real-world money. Price: often around $359.98. Sale. Verdict: a timeless pick that over-delivers. Pick 2, Bulova Marine Star Series. B. A maritime-inspired chronograph made for active wear. It's a 6-hand quartz chronograph measuring 1/22 increments up to 60 minutes, with running small seconds and a practical date calendar. Start and reset feel crisp. Subdials are laid out for quick reads. Silver-toned stainless case and bracelet with a durable mineral crystal, plus bold indices and hands that pop against the nautical palette. Water resistance is 100 meters, fine for swimming and daily splashes. It's not a dive computer. On wrist, pushers click satisfyingly, and legibility stays strong in sun or shade, and the style moves easily from office to weekend boardwalk. Bulova backs it with a 3-year limited warranty for added peace of mind. Street pricing often lands near $259.97 on sale. Compared to a dress watch, it's sportier and more capable, yet it keeps a clean profile for business casual. If you want an everyday chronograph that handles real life, hits the pool, and still looks sharp at dinner, Marine Star Series B nails the balance of function and polish. Smart, seaworthy, ready to wear. Pick 3, Nixon Corporal SS A346, a rugged field aesthetic with an oversized protective bezel that looks ready for trail, tarmac, or daily grind. The silhouette is purpose-built, broad bezel, squared shoulders, and a no-nonsense dial that telegraphs utility. Durability first, solid stainless, a tough 2-piece case, and hardware that feels overbuilt in the best way. The raised bezel helps shield the crystal from knocks, scrapes, and daily wear and outdoor abuse. Matte and brush surfaces mute reflections and emphasize the Corporal's tool watch heft. Readability is excellent, bold printed indices and a clean minute track that stays legible in motion. Custom molded hands give clear contrast, keeping at a glance time checks, quick and decisive. Comfort matters. Its faceted 3-link bracelet sits flat on the wrist and feels secure on the move. Inside, a reliable Miyota Japanese quartz 3-hand movement keeps precise, low-maintenance time. Water resistance is 100 meters, 10 ATM, so swims, rain, and daily abuse aren't a worry. It nails that tactical vibe without screaming for attention. From trailhead to campsite firelight to city errands, it just fits. Daily driver simplicity. Set it, forget it, and trust the accuracy. The 48mm class presence wears bold, but the proportions stay balanced and purposeful. Quick spec snapshot for the essentials. Price? Typically around $220 on sale. Strong value for this build and spec. Who it's for? Anyone who wants outdoor-ready toughness, tactical style, and zero-drama ownership. Verdict: the Corporal SS is a dependable, hard-wearing daily that looks as tough as it performs. Pick 4, Casio G-Shock, GG 1000 1A5CR, a shockproof tool watch built for harsh environments. shock-resistant, mud-resistant, built to keep working when grit and grime shut everything else down. The Super Illuminator LED floods the dial with light for instant night visibility. Sensors matter. You get a digital compass for quick bearings on the trail. A built-in thermometer tracks ambient temps, and world time keeps you synced anywhere. Utility is stacked. Stopwatch and countdown timer for timing reps, routes, and tasks. 5 daily alarms and an hourly signal keep your day on rails. Full auto calendar, 12 or 24-hour format, and a button tone on-off for silent operation. There's even a low battery alert because reliability isn't optional. Water resistance is rated to 200 meters, great for serious surface water sports, not for diving. Power comes from 2 SR927W cells with about a 2-year battery life. On wrist it has bold presence, roughly a 56.2 mm case with signature beige accents and grippy buttons, thick bezel, knurled texture, and raised guards shrug off knocks, rain, and mud. Value. It often lands around $236.62 serious capability without premium luxe price. For hikers, mechanics, and anyone who works where things get wet, cold, or filthy, this is the dependable pick. Verdict: the G-Shock GG1000 1A5CR is a no-nonsense, mission-ready tool watch you can trust anywhere.